Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. This is a special video of Friday, that is after Juma, this post Juma blogs here from India, Assam. You can see the peak premises of Islamic institution, which is Darul Hadith JoyNagar, you can say, which is located in Assam, mid Assam here. So thousands of students used to gather knowledge and they can take privilege of the religious appreciations now. So people around this nation, people around the state of Northeast and Assam used to gather here. So with the blessings of Almighty, I have just completed the Juma Salah, and now I have came out with a view to explore these institutions. This is a religious institutions which has been very old and very prestigious, which matters the emotions of the every Muslims of the Assam state. This madrasa, which is a very tremendous for the upliftment of the religious ethics among the youths, among the students. Thousands of students used to accumulate their knowledge from different parts of Assam, the different parts of the state. They used to come and seek knowledge here. The religious privilege seems to be very nice and very disciplined here. People from different parts used to see these blogs. So I do request you, every one of you, that do share, do appreciate such type of videos in every aspects of the country. So my dear friends, I would be telling you that whatever the blogs are coming, this is the different one. This is the most special one. This is the post Juma's blog, which will be coming directly to the Assamese Muslims and Daboka Pros channel. I do appreciate if you support me by giving a thumbnail, like, and the subscriptions and a share. So my dear friends, do pray for us, to pray the name of the Almighty, that what have came here, what you have seen here. I'm showing you the front part of this premises. You can see the architectural design which resemblance of the ancient glory of this time. Many youths, many students are, this is their weekends today. As you can see, the Friday is the weekend of these institutions. They used to enjoy their time today, as it is the post Juma's blog. You can see after the Juma, people, the students especially, they are hanging, they are washing their clothes in every aspects. In every balconies and every windows, you can see the uniforms are hanging, they're drying their clothes. It's the hostel life. Some are warming up their blankets, some are warming their clothes and drying. You can see everywhere around. You can see the 360-degree views. You can see anywhere around. And this is the mosque. You can say this is the masjid, mosque which has been said by the English people, but in Islam we have to say it as a masjid. Masjid is a religious place where every Muslims used to pray 5 times a day, 5 times salah they used to offer. So my dear friends, this is the end of today's vlog. You can see some of the buddies, they are gathering the special moment. They're taking a shot of their photo for this. So I'm going aside. I can say you the different thing also.